So I'm going to call it right now. The aftermath of this entire Blizzard lawsuit in California will have two things happen. One, many upper executives, but probably not the CEO, will be let go in a very public forum so that we can all celebrate and point fingers. Two, you will then see Blizzard spend a lot of time and energy and money on rebuilding their image and focusing on their core business. The DOJ issue with the Overwatch League is going to be more important than you realize right now. The DOJ is going to force a union onto the Overwatch League and, by default, the rest of esports. I'm calling it right now.